Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin. But first, I want to say that I am not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. And this channel is for entertainment purposes only. The reason why I created this channel is because I want to upload my investment moves to a public platform for people to see and be entertained. And also, I want to see if a poor person like myself can become rich by investing in the stock market and crypto market. Um, this gonna be not just Bitcoin, but a semi overall performance of all of my investments so far. And when it comes to Bitcoin, current price is it's 18,516 dollars with 25 cents. The lowest it had gotten to $18,508 with 57 cents. The highest is um, $20,087 with 51 cents. That has happened in the 24 hours. That happened in the 24 hours. The market cap of Bitcoin is 354,674,844,600, and it just changed to 639. Okay, so this is subject to change. This market cap, it changes every minute. So the fully diluted market cap is in the 38 388 billion. So the fully diluted market cap is in the 388 billion. I'm not gonna say the rest because it changes um, um, every it changes very often. Um, the volume in the 24 hours is 36 billion. And also is subject to change with a 54.07% positive. Circulating supply right now that doesn't change that of them, but the circulating supply right now is 91% with 19,154,687 bitcoins. The maximum supply doesn't change when a blockchain is released with a specific supply. It's not supposed to change. Does not change. People can so-called burn it, but they actually not. They just send it to a wallet where nobody can take it out so far. So the max supply of uh, of a Bitcoin is 21 million, and the total supply of Bitcoin is um, 19,154,793. This total supply right here doesn't change that often, but it does increase because this is our max supply, 21 million. So all depend how it's set up, it will increase like that. I don't know how often. I will have to check and see how often um the 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 the, the total supply increase for Bitcoin. You can also check that too. Um, Now let's talk about the data. You know, I like to check all the data for Bitcoin and for any other asset. Um, so far, if we see the all times data, Bitcoin is on a bullish momentum. Oh, it have spikes, which is normal for these spikes right here are normal for an asset because it moves with so much volume. Like there is so much money getting poured into this crypto into this asset that it it creates these spikes, that can last a year. But the value of Bitcoin is a steady it's a steady growth, you know. So from to, uh, from 2020 to 2024, how sorry, it's 2022. I don't know. I'm kind of sleepy right now. From 2020 to 2022, the um, the price of a Bitcoin has gone 1x, 2x, 3x. So is um, uh, 10,000. I'm just gonna round it up to, so 10,000. Let's say is 1x. 15,000. That's 2x, and 19,000 is 3x. So at this moment, it's sitting like around 2 point something x return on investment from 2020. And even for a person that bought a 2020, still is holding above 2x return on investment, which is 100%, 200%, 300%, right? Because I'm not counting the $500 that they put in. So yeah, so it's pretty much like around, overall is 400%, but minus the first $5,000, they are at 300%, 3x. That's how I call it. If you disagree, just put it in the comments, man. Let me know. Um. So yeah. So for Bitcoin, buying at these prices is just wait and see. So let's say that because it grows like that, right? Even right here, it went from 1,000 to 3,000. And it had these spikes, 1,000 to 3,000. That's 2x, around 3x return on investment. Then it went up again, another spike from 3,000 to 11,000, and then it went back down in 20. So from 2018, let's be clear, from 2018 it was a 3,000, and then 2019 it was 11,000, and 2020 went to 5,000. So yeah, it did give you a, but that was the spike run, right? But you still, if a person bought at 3,000, they still were profitable. you know their portfolio is still looking good, even though they didn't sell. We were like, okay, just gonna hold, and they still look good from 3,000 to 5,000. So they were on the green still. So you just keep. So what does that mean? That, I mean, Bitcoin is in a bullish momentum, even though it's going through all of these shenanigans, all of this mess. I mean, they're pretty much chilling. You gotta just relax. Probably, for me, for my investments, with Bitcoin, I'm just gonna relax. Honestly, I'm just chilling. So, what do I expect Bitcoin? If I do 2x of what we have right now, how much that would be? Like, if I go 2x, 2x of what we have right now, how much that would be? See right here. I'm gonna use my calculator. That would be 30. That would be 36, almost 37,000. Now I will say 300% because what I was trying to say is if you go 2x above the price that I bought it. Like for example, if I buy a 18,000, right, $501, and and it goes to 300%, um, that would be that would be 3x, right? That would be 3x of that price. But what I was trying to say, let's say, uh, what I was trying to do is, oh, hey man, um, if it's 300%, there's gonna be in the 55,000 minus the 18,000 that I put in at the beginning, right? So how much will I be making? You know, I'll be making 37,000. You know, because I so I don't think I need to keep explaining myself. So but in the 1 month, in the 3 months, I'm sorry, we have this volatility, and I think this is based on the situation that we are right now, and also profit taking. You know, a lot of people took profits because even though that these companies, let's say the companies, there were some investment companies at the $10,000, but a lot of companies and emerging companies, blockchain companies, um, they bought in this bull run right here. We have already a bunch of people buying here, from retail investors to all type organizations, everything. Like everybody's getting some of these. And these companies take off and start buying. They start buying Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin went up, but people have to make money. So I will definitely sell if I bought like in the 5,000. And I see this thing high, I would be like, yo, like I'm catching out, you know. So and this is normal for Bitcoin. There is one spike. Actually, over here, there is a spike in 2013 from $96. It went all the way up to $1,000. You know, and then it came all the way back down. You know, and it stood up at the 1x. It always and always is some type of, you know, it's no one. It like doesn't lose money. It doesn't lose money. It just, yeah, it does, but if you, like for a person who bought the low, you know, 70, you know, 90, you know, and then they didn't sell at the 1,000, they're still at 1x. At some point, they were a 1x return on investment. Then just keep going higher, right? So within the within the in the 1 month, definitely, you know, high volatility. You know, we have the Feds. We probably might see a 100% basic points, which one interest rate is, is gonna is gonna wreck everybody. Like this is gonna hurt. So maybe it's pricing in right now. Oh, ahead of the news, you know, for this week. So for this type of investment, it's still long term patient, you know, and if it goes, you know, lower than what it is right now, like it goes to 15,000, that's definitely a buy. You know, try to scoop up some of this. Um, the other one is Bitcoin Cash, because I said that it's gonna be a semi overall, so this video will be a little bit longer. It was funny. Okay, it's right here. So when it comes to Bitcoin Cash, right now current price is $108, $107. You know, with 97 cents. It's negative 11.13%. The lowest is what I just said, and the highest is $121 with 58 cents in the 24 hours. Market cap is 2,070,640. It's changing, so I'm just gonna say 2.07, and then the fully diluted market cap is 2.2 billion. Um, the volume for Bitcoin Cash right now is 261,594,570 with a 46.81% on the green for volume. The circulating supply of this doesn't change that much, like I was saying with Bitcoin. It's on 91% with a 19 million 177,675 Bitcoin Cash. Maximum supply is 21 million, and the total supply of Bitcoin Cash is 19,177,675. So the maximum supply is the maximum supply is how much Bitcoin, how much coins, for Bitcoin there is. I just gonna say coins, but believe me, it's not physical coins. It's not coins. But for maximum supply of Bitcoin Cash is um, 21 million, and the total supply, which is subject to change. I don't know how often it change, but you know, um. So let's look at the chart so far. You definitely can see the downfall, and it went periodically for the past for these 24 hours currently, and we are retesting. If I go to the 1 year, we are retesting this support line of $100. I think that's the support line right now. It's just in a free fall, not on a free fall, but it's just going down periodically, and probably is because of the Feds again. You know, everything is affecting based on the I think there is a strengthening the dollar, so that's why we see the prices falling down, which is not a bad thing at all. It's a good thing. We need to have a strong dollar, honestly. So what does that give me as an investor? Long term investor, and right now building my portfolio. I think these are opportunities for me because I think that Bitcoin Cash is not going to go anywhere. So buying $107 is a no-brainer. I'm gonna buy a 107, and if it tests the 100 $100, I buy again because there is a $7 price difference. And in the next bottom for me would be the next purchase price. The next time I'm gonna buy will be, if it goes lower, will be the 90 $90, 90 80 to $90 if we would go like into if things get worse than what they are right now. I would definitely buy at the $90 to $80 again. So that's pretty much it. I've been making a lot of videos about Bitcoin Cash, so it's still good project for me. And the market is tough right now, so there is pain too. to that is paying. I mean, if you shorts and day traders right now, they having fun making some money, but I don't think in this one though. I probably have some type of program making the trades for you. You know, yeah, but sitting there right now, 24 hours. You better be sitting just scotch. If you want to be just day trading, that's what I will do. Anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. Don't do what I said because you can lose your money right away. So for my investments with Bitcoin Cash, like I say, it's painful to see it going down, but these are opportunities. So I'm just gonna keep buying at these prices. Now, just gonna jump to Dash Coin. Hey, what just happened? Let's go to Dash. Okay, right here. All right. So interesting. If you would look at all of the data from Dashcoin, we can see that this same number right here. Um, right now, the current price of Dashcoin is $39.66. This number right here is being priced in 2019, which is our 2019 support line. Here it is, saying hello. He's saying hello to me right now. Hey, I'm here. $39 because I bought like well because I bought like around 32 to 40. I think it was like around 42. There is a $3 difference, not even a $3 difference, like a dollar or so, because I bought like around 42, 43. Well, kind of it was the price was around there, so probably like around $4 different per coin. And I'm not moving a lot of money. It's not like I'm moving 20,000, $30,000. So what I gonna do is I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait and see this week what it does. Um, because it could go lower, right? Based on the fact that the news hasn't gotten out there yet. We all are assuming that the Fed's going to increase to 100 basic points, which is 1%. So I'm very interested in how the market going to be in the morning when it opens. It's about to open, so a few more few more hours. The you know extended hours, early birds trading. So we'll see how it does. But right now, the in the what that I am expecting, I think we are in a tough market, like I say, and it could go lower than what it is right now. But if I check all data, this was during COVID-19, December 2023, 2019. It did touch $39, the same price that it is right now. And it was because of COVID. Everybody panicked, sold everything. It might stay at these prices. Honestly, if you break through these prices, could we see a lower number? I don't know because uh, that 30 to $40 is a very very strong support line there. So I do not I see a struggle for Bitcoin Cash to go below $30 and reach 25, $24. But at the same time, I call it. So I didn't say that we're gonna go to 16. So I call it. So I call it for myself and for the sake of my video. You know, I am still bullish. I'm gonna buy more. I think I'm gonna buy more at 20. When it hit, if it goes lower, $35, I buy at $35, and then I will buy again at 20 in the 20s. Definitely gonna buy in the 20s because I think 35s and 20s will be the bottom. Will be like, nah, you're not getting me lower, buddy. Like these prices right here, it's already touching bottom, which is that 2019. So this could be it. So thinking about it, like buying over here, I definitely gonna buy at 39. So I'm gonna buy more at 39. And then if it goes lower, I'll buy more again. Yeah, if it goes like around 35, I will buy. And then my next level would be 20 in the 20s, like around 26, 25, like around there. So I would definitely buy again. It's not because of, you know, it's because I understand that we are in a very tough situation. Every market is getting hit right now. Real estate, everything. And like I said, this is because it's representing the strengthening of the dollar. That's what I believe. Is representing the strengthening of the dollar because in the past it was the evaluation of this was right now it started to it's gonna represent the strengthening of the dollar. So the prices are going down, and we're gonna have we might have a soft landing, and things gonna recover. So let's look at the other one. I made a lot of videos about Dogecoin 26 hours ago. So I made a video about Dogecoin 26 hours ago again, so I'm good. I'm not gonna be talking much about Dogecoin. So I'm gonna go now. I'm talking about Kronos, right? Let's see what Kronos is doing. Interesting. Kronos is holding its value, the lowest low within the 1 year, because this is bullish, right? Yeah, this is bullish. So it's still bullish from the 5 cents. So I'm marking it from the 1 year because in 2021 it was at 8 cents, and then it took off to 10 cents, and since then he's been holding this position because over here probably is when they started and they were like promoting their company and stuff, from open creating their first crypto. So and it ran all the way up to it went all the way up to almost $1. So for these crypto, I'm a buyer at 10 cents. I'm buying again at 10 cents, and if it goes to 3 cents, I'm not even gonna question it. Just gonna buy more because Kronos is a exchange crypto platform, and there are some like KuCoin, Binance. You know, if you look if you look at Binance, right, and I check all of the date, all of the record that is showing here, and definitely see Binance, $1. And I actually saw Binance at $1. I did, and I did. didn't get in. It wasn't for me. That's how I see it. It wasn't for me. So I was just looking at crypto, and then I saw Binance, and I was like, oh, this is an exchange. And then I was like, they're gonna make money, but I don't know. I didn't. I wasn't really. I just looked at them. So yeah, I mean, and here they are. So yeah, I think these people, um, crypto.com, which is the owner of, they this is their crypto Kronos. So it represent, 2019 when they started at 1 cent. You know, pretty much it's been going up. So what is the current price? The current price of Kronos is 10 cents. The lowest is 10 cents. The highest is 1 cent. So there is not much money to be making here. Day trading it. So that's why I'm not day trading anything, because I do not have hundreds of like um, um, tens of thousands to get a significant amount that actually gonna make that will actually make me want to spend hours day trading. You know, so because um, I have my portfolio value right now is low. There is no, I don't need to, you know worry so much. Besides taking advantage of these prices in here, and look for good assets that will make me some money. So what I am looking for, I'm actually, because I have a low value portfolio, what I am looking for is strengthening my position within strong assets that I consider strong assets, and then picking up these type of runs right here. And that's what is gonna make significant changes to my portfolio based on the amount of crypto shares I own from that specific company, you know, or project. So yeah. Um, Now let's move to Litecoin. Well, Litecoin is different. I am looking at Litecoin right now, and I'm very surprised that we haven't seen. Um, it's definitely behaving differently than Dashcoin, because Dashcoin right now is at the lowest right now, and also Bitcoin Cash is almost touching the lowest. So it's reaching out their support line again, but Dashcoin. So Dashcoin is reaching out their support line. Bitcoin Cash is also reaching to their support line, but Litecoin is not. I think Litecoin is gonna have a different, probably by the end of this week. Litecoin, if we have if it is sentiment continues in progress, by the end of this week, I believe that we might see a lower price of Litecoin. And I will definitely buy at a lower price. Um, um, Definitely is a buy for me again, because right now it's a $7 difference. So I definitely gonna get in. I'm getting in here, and then and then um and then I'm buying again. I'm buying again, increasing my position. You know, so I'm just increasing my position, because when I'm looking for, like I said, I'm looking for bull spikes, these type of spikes. That's what I am looking for. Major spikes. That's what's gonna make changes in my portfolio. So so these $50 from 50, from the highest is 57, the lowest is $50. We are in a you know um bearish market. So buying a $50 out is good for me, because within the 1 year, if you look at the 1 year, yeah, it's going down, of course, but the lowest is 40, is 43, but in the 3 months, you can see how it touched the 48 and then rebound, you know just goes back up to 59, $60. And even if the market gets worse and it touches those $38, at some point by next year, probably it's gonna move up again. So buying at 50 and then 30 is a very, I actually I actually want to go to 30, so like that I can buy more at 30. But because I cannot, it's hard to time the market doing dollar across average. And when I see this type of um, when I see this type of numbers, 57 and now it's a 50, I'm getting in, buying one or two, and just, you know, before I know, I'm gonna have 20 and 20 out of what was the in the 1 year, 20 at $200 per share. It makes it's not bad. 20, 30 shares, 30 coins at $200 per coin. 20 at $200 per coin. How much is 20 at $200 per coin? Like 20 at 200 and 260, let's say. Here, let's go. 20, 20 times 268. That's $5,000. You know, and I'm buying. Maybe I'm gonna spend like probably 800, 900 to 1,000, and then I get 5,000 in return. That's not bad money at all. That's not bad at all. So so that's so this is pretty much it. Um, Happy trading. Trading starts very soon. Happy trading, and yeah, peace out.